how to make animation video on Xiaomi app. That is the very trending videos is going on viral on internet. So to make this, I hope you will be facing some difficult and you are not getting the application. Today in this video I'm going to show you the full tutorial how to get the application and also how to make the video, because the alphabet, the language they are using is completely different from English. So let's get inside the video, and also please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So guys, here you can see here this is the application. So first when you open, your interface will be like this. So after opening, your interface will be like this. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to simply tap on this option. You can see here this video option on the second side. Simply tap here and then you have to select the video here. Like you can see here, they have already made an animation video here. So I'm gonna show you one example. Like let me just select this video here. You can see here the video. You can see. So in this way, you if you wanna make, then what you have to do, just simply click on this option, red color option here. Simply tap here and then here. So guys, here you will be redirected to your gallery, and what you have to do, simply tap on the picture you wanna do. So here you can see picture, and also if you wanna go for video, then you can just click here, and if you wanna go for picture, then this is the picture. So first of all, let me show you by doing on picture. So keep in mind that this is the picture and this is the video. So I have selected my picture, and you have to simply click on this option, this red color option. So let me just click, and it will take a meanwhile to load the system. So guys, you can see it's done. So it's very pretty simple. And guys, if you wanna save the video, then what you need to do, it's very pretty simple. You can see, I will show you once again. I just mute my microphone. You can see here, this is the way. So it's very pretty simple. You can do in this way. And also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So to save the video, you have to click on this right option here, and then here you have to simply tap on this option. So here you can see it's saving, it's on the saving mode. So it's very pretty simple guys. I hope you like this video. So guys, it's done. You can see here. So what you have to do, you have to simply click on this option, or you can just go for another option like this. You can just click here and it is saved to your gallery. So in this way you can make cool videos, animation photo videos. And this to download this application, what you have to do, I will give the description on my I will give the link on my description box. You can just go to my description box of my video, this video, and then you can just click there and you can download it. Then guys, keep in mind one thing on mind, that you can download this application on Xiaomi Mi phones and also in other phones also. So thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.